Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have taken you back to the neighborhood of Everleigh, located in Locust Grove. And if you've followed my progress through this neighborhood before, you would know that these homes are on 1 acre lots. And today the floor plan I'm showing you is one I haven't featured before, and it's the Danbury floor plan. This is arguably one of their most popular floor plans, and you will see why if you just stay tuned for the rest of the video. This home has 5 bedrooms, 1 on the main and 4 upstairs. It has 4 bathrooms and a huge owner walk-in closet. If you're interested in these homes featured on my channel, give me a call. A lot of time these builders offer amazing incentives, and I'll be able to share those incentives with you. Now I want you guys to walk with me into the living room to see the massive scale that these 2-story ceilings add to the room. Look how the shiplap is continued all the way up to the ceiling. That's a beautiful touch. And it has that solid stained cedar plank over the gas stove. One of the things that I really admire about this particular floor plan is the black fixtures and knobs that they have in the kitchen and in the bathrooms. They're very chic, they're very modern, they're very on trend, a different vibe than you would normally see with nickel or brass. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more beautiful homes in the Atlanta metro area, hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions about this home or any other homes featured on my channel, my information is in the description below. Give me a call.